Oh, no, look, you're here. Yes, look at this nonsense. Yeah, see. No, this one is not acceptable. Huh? Now, we didn't have where did you get where?
So we're now looking at the disadvantage.
The other one, hello, and shame on us. So when they are how are you? I'm Romeo. No, Romeo, I think.